So this is a facial cleanser I use. I use this every single day and every single morning. Obviously at night I use other products, but in the morning this is the only thing I use to remove any oils from my face. I love that it's very sensitive and it does not irritate my face. I literally have been using this product for at least 4 years now, and I still love it the same. So this is the lotion I wear every single day, in the morning and at night. In the morning, I like to add this to my face though. And this is the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer sunscreen, and this is 100 SPF, which is really good for the sun. I wear this even in the winter. Trust me, even when you think the sun is not hitting your face, it still is. So I wear these two every single morning, and I usually do 2 pumps of this, and then I mix my sunscreen in here. So today I'm gonna do this coffee. This is from Myers brand, and this is breakfast blend coffee light roast. It's literally my favorite time of the morning. And I also like to add this to my coffee. This is literally my favorite creamer. It's almond milk, so there's no dairy, and it's vanilla flavor, and it's seriously so good. Alright guys, so this is my lunch / dinner for the hospital. So for the morning, I like to eat half a bagel. This is a blueberry bagel with strawberry cream cheese, which I already started eating with my coffee. And then I like to bring a snack or like lunch, which is a turkey sandwich. And then I bring other snacks. I have a cheese string. This is pretzels covered in yogurt. I have a protein bar, some fruit, and then I have my dinner, which is chicken with rice and veggies. And this is my lunch bag, and then my water. I'm probably gonna end up buying more food at the hospital because I'm not sure if this is going to be enough for the day, but we'll see how the day goes. Okay, so now I'm just gonna make sure that I have all my stuff ready in my hospital bag. This is my bag. My school logo is pretty big on the bag, which I do not like, but it's a pretty decent bag. I can fit a lot of things in here. So I have my folder with a lot of my paperwork that I need, and then I also have my clipboard, which I am in love with this thing. I got it on Amazon. I'll put it in the description box. So I use this to put all my patients' information, and I love the fact that you can close it and it fits perfectly in my coat pocket. I have my hand sanitizer, which I don't really have to carry this because in the hospital there's hand sanitizers everywhere, but I really like the smell of this one. I usually carry this one in my coat pocket. I have a highlighter. How cute is this? It's a syringe. My pant light, all my ID, which I have to put on actually. And I also like to carry pens with me. I do have nurse scissors, but I don't carry those with me. I bring them in my bag, but I don't carry them with me. So I bring this, and I also have medical tape, which I don't carry with me either. So I like to carry these 3 things with me, and my pen light and my hand sanitizer. And obviously I always wear my stethoscope around my neck. I don't know, I just feel really cool wearing that. We have to wear white shoes, so I wear these shoes. They're pretty ugly in my opinion, but I don't care because they are comfortable. They are Reebok, and they have a little bit of gray, but it's fine. My pants come down pretty low, so you can't really see the gray. So this is the full uniform, not the chanclas obviously, but I do wear glasses. There's times that my head starts hurting a lot, so if I just throw on my glasses, the headache goes away. So this is it. Hold on, let me put on my coat. So this is the full uniform on. This is exactly how I go into the hospital. Everything is extra small, but everything fits me so big as always. I can never find anything that fits me perfectly, which I don't mind because like I said, I can put so much stuff in my pocket, which works really well. But yeah, this is the whole outfit of the day. My lunch bag, my coffee, my phone, and I am ready to go. So I will usually carry a gym bag if I had 8-hour clinicals, but since I started my 12-hour clinicals, I literally come home and shower and eat and then go to sleep. Actually, never mind, do homework. Okay, so let's go save some lives. Bye, baby. Bye, babies. Bye. Alright guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you have any ideas or any comments, any questions, you already know. Leave them right in the comments down below. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Mwah.